Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we learn FreeCAD 1.1 development version. Okay, today we create this model. Let's get started. First, we need to create a new document and create a new part. Create a new sketch. First, we need to create this cylinder feature. So we need to select XZ plane. Then we create a circle. Make dimension. The radius 14.5, so diameter is 19 millimeter. Okay, leave the sketch. Then we select pad command. The distance 119, so the length 119, and we need to select the symmetrical. Okay. Next, we need to create this road feature. So create new sketch. Next, we need to select XY plane. Then we create a solid. Then symmetrical. The dimension, the radius is 25 millimeter. And the center distance 150. And this distance from the origin 15.5. And we need to add the hole, so create two circles and make constraint equal. The diameter is 20 millimeter. Okay. So sketch is fully constrained. We leave the sketch. Then we need to select pad command. This model we need to select two sides. From here you see 15, and from the center 5. So this is 15 plus 13.5, and this length is minus 13.5. Okay, good, nice. Next, we need to select this feature, and mirror, or use learner partner. Learner partner here is 100, and the length is Y, reversed. Okay. Next, we need to create this feature. So create new sketch. Then we select YZ plane. View sketch and create a circle from here and the center. Okay, the dimension this 13.7.5. This point to 17.5. Okay, leave the sketch. Pad from here 15, and this, so it's 16. 16, and the model select symmetrical. Okay. Oh no, you see here. So we need to edit the sketch double clicked. We need to select this arc, change as a reference, and add a line. Okay. So we need to add the hole. Double click sketch. Add the circle, the diameter here. Close the sketch. Next, we need to create this hole. Create new sketch. Oh, sorry. Come back and delete the sketch. Create new sketch. Select XZ plane. We need to select this arc as a reference. So this arc view. Create a circle, and next we need to create rectangle. Constraint symmetrical, and trim the sketch. Make dimension 32.5, and the lines is 15. You see here 15. Okay. The sketch is falling constraint. We'll close the sketch. Pocket command. Then we select symmetrical and through all. Okay. Next, we need to create this pocket feature. And create new sketch, select XZ plane, and we need external geometry, this arc, view sketch, and create a rectangle. Constraint symmetrical, and create arc. Next, we need this arc constraint equal. Trim the sketch. Make dimension. This 30, and the length. Okay. Falling constraint. Close the sketch. Pocket command. Symmetrical. Tap through all. Good. Change the appearance. Okay, we finished the model. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next video.